Acrylics Basics French nail tutorial. So you're going to start off, here I've fully prepped the nails and I'm going in with 2 coats of Young Nails protein bond, which is just amazing to prime. Then I go in and I create the actual nail bed. Now do this in 1 bead or 2 bead, whatever is better for you, whatever you feel most comfortable with. But then what I'll do is I'll try and get that edge as sharp as possible so I've got something for the white to butt up against. And then probably the biggest tip that I can offer is making sure that you go round that smile line with a file. And I also like to kind of compare the nails next to each other as I'm going along, just to make sure that they're all relatively uniform. But that file will really help with the uniformity as well. So then you're going to go in with your white. Now I tend on a French to work a little bit drier with my white, because white can be quite pigmented. So if I work a little bit drier, you've got to work a bit quicker, but it's just easier to mould into the place, into the shape that you want. And you'll see I'm going over the smile line. That's absolutely fine. Do that. You will file it away and it will make your smile line looks so much more crisp if you go over it in the first place. And if you're enjoying this, please do drop us a like and a follow, as we're creating new content all the time. So once you've done that, you're going to file that in using your e-file or your hand file, whichever you're most comfortable with. I prefer to use an e-file because I can do any debulking that I need to do at this point as well. Then after that, I will go in with a hand file, a buffer, and I'll top coat. I do hope that helps, but if you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.